How to add cover photo to your page on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add cover photo to your page on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click pages, and then select your page here, any page you want, and then just click here on your cover photo and click upload a photo, and then you can upload it, and this is of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.